Hello everyone, welcome to Baoyue Technology. Our company mainly does hardware processing and welding for radiators and water cooling. When choosing equipment, we usually go for the bigger brands. Since we started using Taycan, to be honest, we've always been very satisfied with the service. I think Taycan's pricing over the years, honestly, among brands in the same class, has always had an advantage in its configuration. As for core components, I see Taycan uses well-known international brands in their specs, so overall, it gives us more peace of mind. At the same price point, Taycan still offers the richest configuration and the best value for money. Anyway, even after 5 years, there's no fundamental difference compared to a brand new machine. With our machines, maybe in a year, out of dozens of units, we only need Taycan's after-sales service once or twice. So overall, we're actually very satisfied with everything.